District Medical Health Officer NHM Bhoi District Pynlong ke Prokram Pynkup Burom nin kesngi UCC College Umber ban ai Burom ikinos ANM Deputy Commissioner Arpit Upadhyay lalong ukongsan bat lasin ran da ka Dr. AR Marak additional Dmho haganig Prokram la itho ekajing nok sinyang jongkinos ANM but kinong kmi ha kaban Pynlong ye kajing hikai ban pen kakhun ha ka district barok kaway jong usnem 8,000 pulai 8,000 pusau haba ai jingkren Upadhyay ulapen paw ye kajing sungu kajong ye kinos kinong tre asha ba kinong sumar halor kajing syakri kajong ki wat hapedeng bon kajing
Not an easy task to be available to the pregnant woman, to a person who is in dire need at every time, at all hours, night time, during monsoons, when the road is bad, when you have to walk on foot for immunization, for village health and sanitation days. So I have understood these challenges which you face little bit, and it has always been an inspiration for me. Whenever I am thinking of something, some challenges come up, I always see that, okay, in a remote corner, in a village where we have a case of refusal, but still our ANM, our ASHA, our health staff is always ready to do their duty.